Presentations, Module B, Homework Assignment Number 3. You'll need to open your Excel workbook. No need to save it, just open it up, and then also open the PowerPoint presentation. Again, we have 5 slides. I'm going to duplicate my first slide. And in here, Control A, end. And then for the subtitle, Control A and delete. And I'll move that to the end. And then on slide 3, I'm going to change this to Convert to Art, Word Art, and I'm going to go to my favorite one under List and Trapezoid List. And you're welcome to change the colors and the Smart Art styles, maybe a 3D effect. Then we'll go to slide 4. On slide 4, if you're curious what layout they used, the title and content, your choices here, we're going to select Insert a Table. And for this one, we want 6 columns and 6 rows, and OK. And you can extend the size of it so it's wider. And then in the instructions are the information that you'll type, and you just begin typing and tab, just like you would in Word. Once you have all of the information in there, I'm going to select the first row and go to Layout, and I'd like it centered, and also horizontal and vertical. And then for just the numbers, I'm going to also choose center. I could also center it here, and then I'll center these in the middle, but keep it left aligned. If you wanted to, you could go into Design and select a different shading. It's up to you what you'd like to do. Then we'll move on to slide 5. And in here, we're going to actually choose a chart, Insert Chart. We'll go with 3D clustered column, click OK. And what happens is it takes you into a mini Excel. I'm just going to extend it a little bit. This is just a sampling. You would type in your own information so you can see what the chart would look like. So I'm going to start here in A1 and then select all of the information and then just press delete. Now, this will change as soon as I put in column information and data. But what happens is the default setting is only going to column D and only row 5. So I go to the corner bottom where I want to extend it to F and then down to 6. So that way I can fill in all my information. So instead of typing the information, hopefully you have your Excel spreadsheet open, select everything, Control C, go back to your PowerPoint, and in A1, Control V. Now it's not showing the numbers again because the columns aren't wide enough, so hold on the A, drag it across, and then just double click between any boundary where you have the double arrows, and then you can see everything, and then I can close out of here. And I'll go escape so you don't have to see that. And then you can make this wider too. I'm going to select the title and type sales report or sales profit. Now right now it's showing so you have your vertical, it's showing the values, and you can see that romance did the best both in February and in May. But what happens if you wanted to have, instead of the categories, the genres, you wanted to have the months? If you wanted to change that, you would just click Select Data, and then you would just click Switch Row and Column. And then when I click OK, and close out of here, it is by January, February, and the categories are now part of the legend. So that's up to you if you wanted to change that. You could also go up here and select a different layout style, whatever you'd like to select there. So that's on slide 5. So on slide 1, we have the opening slide, and slide 2, there was nothing that we changed there. We added a Smart Art effect on 3. 4, we inserted a table. 5, we inserted a chart. And on 6, it's a duplicate of slide 1 for the end. And you're more than welcome to go to transitions and select a transition for each one or apply it to all. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.